Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I got some Maniology to show you today. The polishes are old, don't worry about those. I've had those for a long time. But I got some new plates, and I think these are going to be fun because we can do some gradients. Ombre, whichever you want to call it. And there's all different sizes, so you can do it just to fit an individual nail. Mine are the tiny ones for sure. My thumb, ooh, I don't know, maybe down there. So none of these are those are gonna be all too big for me. But I love there's that many sizes. And look at this, and that is M319. And this one's fun because you can also do a gradient ombre and a French tip. I don't have, like, I don't know, I probably won't use that, but I think that's cute. And like just some angled lines. And then I had to get this. Tara texted me about this baseball one, and I have another baseball plate. I don't know where, but I had to get this one because I think it's cute. Maybe we'll only use it twice a year, but there's that. And that one is B376. But I'm not going to mess with this one today. And I just grabbed 3 primary colors. A red, a yellow, and a blue. And they are Cherry Bomb, Honeydew, and Blue Ribbon. And I grabbed them because, first of all, they're primary colors. And second, because they look like they stamp like they're really good stamping polishes, especially that one. That one's amazing. That one is pretty awesome too. And the way I decide that is, does it look the same over the black and the white? That does. The color does not change. This one, color does not change. This one, not so great, but I'm going to be stamping on nude colored nails. And this is just cupcake polish, and it's a nude, a pinky nude, and it's actually just a blur color you just put on for a base coat. And Tara gave me that, and I appreciate that. All right, we're going to do a little fancy stamping. This is sticky. This is their black sticky from Maniology. I do have a discount code, Guyleen325. I appreciate if you use my code. That helps me buy things to give away. And this one I got, I don't know, a year or so ago, quite a while ago actually, I think, in a box, in a Mani-Me box, I am sure. We're going to do a little fancy smancy double stampsies. And I don't know what this is called. There's a name for it. Somebody tell me. I don't know. But I'm going to use one of their sticky stampers. I am going to grab a pretty thick stamping card. These are clear jelly stamper ones. Actually think I need one a little stiffer, but maybe not. I'll try this, see how it goes. You can wipe off your plates. I usually don't find that I need to, but absolutely make sure that your scraper is clean. And smooth, because this one is definitely not. All right, to do this little trick, you're first going to pick up this from this plate, and then you're going to pick up from over here from that plate. You don't have to do it this way. I just am going to be fancy today and pretend like I know what I'm doing. And will it work? I don't know. I don't know. But look on this plate. It has got some cute little, a dot, a star, a heart, a butterfly, I guess that's another kind of star asterisk. What is that? Maybe that's a crown. What is that? I don't know. And some fancy stars. So we're going to do the fancy stars over here. And we're going to put the polish on. My nails are not that long, so I'm going to go down toward the end. And there's so much negative space on here. If you push too hard, or if you don't have your scraper, if your scraper is too flimsy, or you push more in the middle, it's going to scrape more across the middle, so you're going to lose part of that across there. Plus you want to keep it as flat as possible. So you're going to distribute the weight of the scraper across it and not push real hard, and keep it kind of flat. And there we go. And that did not work whatsoever. And this one does have a little bit of a mark on it, or like a catch, and it is a little warped. So I'm going to try this again. I ruined my plate. It's no longer perfect and pretty. And maybe I will scrape a different direction. I'm going to turn my plate. And I found this card from Queen. This one is much stiffer. And I like the little ones because they're just easy for me to handle. So we're going to do it this way. See how I pushed too much on that negative part? But not so much going to be using that. Yeah, see, that pulled it off. I knew if I bragged that I was going to do something fancy smancy, I would be screwing it up. So these are different widths. So I actually think this heart here would be better. So I'm going to change it up. Let's see. Let's try the heart. And we're going to scrape it this way. Oh, that's good. One swipe. And we're going to pick it up. Yay! Now, will that fit on my thumb? Yes, I believe it will, but I don't want this line here. All right, I'm going to set that aside, and I am going to put, oh, not that. Okay. Red, yellow, and blue. And then I'm going to blend that into an ombre, gradient, I don't know. And then I'm going to pick that up with this. And I did scrape, oh man. All right, so I screwed that one up the first time. Same premise, only I picked up the butterfly this time. It is easier generally if you put the polish along the side and then blend it across. Oh, I contaminated that. That wasn't the problem. That was just me picking up wrong. Okay. We're going to blend that. And then pick that up. Oh yeah, it worked that time. Fear not, it worked. Okay, I forgot to put liquid latex on. Oh shit. I did not totally just cuss. Okay. Put some liquid latex on. And see what if we even like this. It has been like years since I've done this. And it is just absolutely ridiculous to do because there's no reason for it except just to be fancy. All right. And then we're going to line that up. And then we have our ombre underneath there. And I totally hate that. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm not a big French tip person anyway, but I really hate that. I mean, I like the premise of it, but I don't like it. So let's do something else. Let's try the ombre again. Let's go. Here. A little more yellow and blue. Not as much red. Okay. That is perfect. Yes. I love that. Perfect ombre. So a white behind this would make it brighter, but I kind of like that. And then we're gonna go back over here. And use white. And I don't know, I think, see these I could do rainbow too, but I think I want to just do this. And kind of go off the edge a little. There we go. I love that. That, not so much. That is super cute. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do that. I don't know. Okay, you see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna finish the design and then come back and show you what I did. I hate that. Hate it. All right, so in doing the others, I realize I'm wasting like a stamp. Like I could pick up two. So I'm gonna grab two stampers and then scrape across these last two. There's the second one, and get them both. And doing it at the edge just really just helps blend it all, because you're blending across. And rolling it the opposite way, you are less likely to get empty spaces. And there I got 2 perfect ones. Hold on, I need some sticky base on. Going for the daily double, I don't know. Woo, yeah. Pick that one up. Quick, quick, quick. Pick that one up. Oh, yeah. She does it. That one goes here. And this one's gonna go here. Doesn't exactly match that first one, but that's okay. All right, let me clean these up. And if you don't have liquid latex, don't worry about it. Although Adored Colors liquid latex, I think it's just like $5. And she has beautiful colors and just like the best glow in the darks. Love them. And she's always got some fantastic sales going on. Alright, I'll top coat you, even though you're ugly. I hate you. What is that bubbling up? So weird. Alright, you guys, what do you think? I think that looks cute. I love that. I am not mad at that at all. I'm mad at that. I hate that. But this is so bright and pretty. I gotta get rid of that. And I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching. Bye.
So they can like smell her and like Baby, you're okay. Gigi, hide behind you. You're playing chase. They don't know it, but we are. Protect each other.
Oh, there's another one.
Hey, come here. Hey.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.